Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories. And you all will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to remind you to give this video a thumbs up. And now let's talk about the products. Just want to show you my clown. Little clown. It has little fluffies. Has a little skirt. Nice skirt. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, and it comes with a hat. Also came with a wig too. Well, it didn't come with a wig. I think I had to buy it. Or did it come with it? I don't remember, but it's a pretty cool wig. First product up is Purederm. Today we're going to talk about nose strips. Ooh, the nose is important too. So this nose strip is by Purederm. Color Skin Bunny Design Nose Pore Strip. It usually comes in a 6-pack. I, for some reason, received it as a single. It was a gift. So I received like a few singles. By the way, it was in my live stream. And it also can be found either on Amazon or purederm.com.au. They don't really have these bunny designs anymore. See right there? But they do have regular ones, like I believe they have a charcoal one, an alloy one, things like that. But they're plain and they're not designed. So if you want the design ones, take a chance, look on Amazon. They might have a few left. Again, dealing with Amazon, enter at your own risk. Price ranges from around $7.99 for the pack, and then also, I believe on the website, they're like around $2 to $3. So prices vary, especially where you're purchasing it from. Then the expiration date, of course, it depends on when you purchased it. This one for me expires December 2022. So that gives me about a year to use it. We're getting there. This brand doesn't really display that they are cruelty-free or vegan, but they do have a vegan section on their website. Usually it's nothing but mask on there, but they do have a little tab that says vegan. Go over there and check it out. Pretty cool mask under that tab. And of course I do mean skincare mask, not Halloween mask. It is a 1-step deep cleansing pore treatment that should suck up, or shall I say absorb, and should take out blackheads that are really deep inside your pores. Not to mention the dirt and oil that it also takes out from there.
Pretty good.
And apparently it should tighten up your pores, basically making them smaller, I suppose, or a little bit less visible. Of course, who could use this? Usually combination, dry skin, normal skin, any type of skin, even oily. It's okay as long as you have blackheads and pores, which usually everybody does. Now for what it has inside. It has copolymer alloy barbadensis leaf extract, charcoal powder, and silica. Also a few more ingredients after that, but those are the main key points. Now how to use this. After you cleanse, usually allow yourself to dry, just as long as you wash your face, that's okay. Then you're going to open this up. Yeah. Then after you wash your face, you're going to want to put water on your nose, which is the area that we are zeroing in on, I guess. And apply water. Then go ahead, open it up. Ooh. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Oh, there it is. You guys can either put most of the water on the nose, or you could wet one of your fingers and put it on back of the sticky part. Your choice. Okay, then you want to go ahead and stick it on your nose. There we go. How do I look? And then wait 15 minutes. let it dry, make sure it's fully dry. If you find a part that's not sticking, I like to wet it a little bit more and then let that dry with my finger. From the edges, go ahead and pull it off gently. And if any part of it gets stuck, put a little more water and it'll move around. And of course, remove it from the plastic. I'm just using tape. Next one up is Biore or Biore. Still not sure how I say that. I always say Biore ever since high school, so I'm sure it's probably pronounced Biore. Ultra Deep Cleansing Nose Strip. Ooh. This one usually comes in an 8-pack or a 14-pack. Also, there is now nose and face strips. That's usually like a 14-pack, 7 of the nose strips and 7 of the face ones, which usually are like more square and go on your forehead, something like that. I usually like to cut those things in half in case I want to use them on my cheeks and I could separate it. Be resourceful. You can purchase them at, and this is a list because they're very popular, CVS, Target, Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, Ulta Beauty, Face Values, and another place which I've never heard of, a website that is called Biore, Meijer. Very interesting. You can find them there. Of course, when you go there, they're going to have different kinds. So you might find the 8-pack only at CVS, and then you might find a 14-pack at Walgreens. It's whatever they have in their stock is what they have. So happy hunting. Now prices vary from store to store. We got $7.99 for the 8-pack. Then it goes all the way up to around $11 to $12. Like I've seen the 14-pack being $9.99 in one place and then up to $12 in another place. So yeah, prices vary. I would say lowest would be from $7 up to $12. Fun times. And then, of course, depending on when you purchase it, usually lasting you around 12 months. They will have a date on them. Unfortunately, this one doesn't. I think I had them in like a box, and the box had a date on them, and I threw it out. So, but just remember the time of your purchase, 12 months, I would say,
It's fine.
Hey everyone, so just want to let you know it took me a whole nother day to find out whether they were cruelty-free and vegan. I couldn't find it on their website at first, but I strangely found it on Amazon, and they do have a Biore store on Amazon. Pretty cool. So I went back to their website and checked it out, and it is very, very tiny under the Pore strip section, but if you click on the About Us and then go ahead and click under Our Commitment, and there they actually show you if they're vegan and cruelty-free. So happy hunting for that. They need to stick that more up front, like in your face, because there's a lot of websites that are saying Biore is not cruelty-free, but it's there on their website. Strangely. Just have to dig for it, that's all. It is a strip with selective bonding ingredients. It definitely should work like a magnet, giving it an instant lock onto the dirt inside that pore. And then, of course, instantly removing it so that it wouldn't fully become a blackhead, but it probably is a blackhead already inside that pore. If you like to use it weekly, you should definitely have fewer clogged pores, but I like to use it, for me, probably once a month, to be honest. They can be a little harsh at times, so you just want to use them. I like to use them once a month, maybe once every 2 months. If I'm not in a desperate need of it, it's fine. Just cleanse well. Have a routine that will help your skin not depend on these so much. So not only is it removing dirt, oil, and blackheads, you should have less pores appearing on your face. That's interesting. Now for the ingredients. It has polyquaternium, silica, glycerin, butylene glycol, and witch hazel. And that's pretty much it. Let's go to my demo. Okay, opening it up. Ooh. Usually they look like this. I always feel like these have a fragrance to them. Slightly strong, but bearable. So you can wash your face first. On their little how-to list, they want you to peel this off first and then twist it. Oh yeah, see? Twist it so you can they have little already pre-made, man-made cuts into it. So you twist it and then peel it off and then kind of set it. You know, make sure your hands are dry so you don't stick onto it. And then go ahead and wash your face. Cleanse, wet the area that you want it on, the nose. Again, dry your hands so that you can put it on. So we're going to put it on now. Yes. And then usually you want to make sure it, goes on your entire nose here. Make sure it sticks really well without the plastic again. But make sure it just grabs onto your entire skin on the nose. Then wait to 10 to 15 minutes. And then peel. Usually you want to make sure that this is all nice and dry and stiff. Like cardboard, it does feel harder. There is a complete difference. If it's your first time using it, again, be careful when you're grabbing onto the edges and peeling it off. Don't pull skin. Wet it if you need to. And yeah, you could do it like a band-aid, but you might be like, ugh. So just be careful. So yes, peel from, usually I like to grab them on the sides here. Then make sure you go all the way to the center when you're peeling it off.
And it should be fine.
Now before I move on, I do want to mention, put this here. I do want to mention that they both have some caution warnings here on their little tat thingies, like don't use anywhere else but the nose, for instance, is one of them. Of course, avoid the eyes, and don't use it on sunburn because that's going to hurt. Sunburned skin, acne, like real puffy acne, you don't want to put it on that. Any types of blemishes or open wounds,
because that's going to hurt if you have cuts, my gosh.
And of course, if you have any acne medications or anything that you're using, they just highly recommend you talk to a doctor first. Try to use it only once a week or twice a week if you need to. They both highly recommend to at least have a 3-day space in between when you use it. We don't want to overuse it because it may give you some cuts when you're peeling it off. As I said, try not to peel off your skin. And that's pretty much it. Of course, keep away from your children. That's basically almost everything, all the products. Oh, another important thing, if you had any kind of chemical treatment on your skin, you probably don't want to use that on these either. So, I mean, use these right after you do that, because that's going to hurt. Alright, and that's it. Now let's see which one was your favorite on my Instagram, and which nose strip won my voting poll. Woo! There we go. So I'm not sure if these make a lot of noise, but... And the winner is... Ah! Hit my face. And... Boop! Biore! Or Biore! 100%! Woo woo! Congratulations, Biore! Which one is it? You are the winner! Thank you very much. Alright. Of course, why am I not surprised? It is the most well known and it is sold practically everywhere. And of course, very marketed to teens. I've been using Biore for a very long time, and Purederm I am just receiving as gifts, so whenever I do have them, I do use them. They both are basically very similar in which they both have a goal to do deep cleansing onto your face and remove those pores, dirt, oil, and blackheads. If you haven't tried Purederm, I highly recommend you try them. They do have a variety of other skincare products on their website, so check those out. Those are pretty cool. As for Biore, you are always in our hearts. We've been using you since the high school years when my face was really bad. And yeah, congratulations. You are the winner. Biore. So now it's your turn in the comments. Which ones have you tried using? Let me know in the comments below, or basically which one is your favorite, or basically which one you want to try, and then I will feature you in next week's video. So comment below and let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you're scared to use these too. I always wondered. And that is all. We don't have any features this week, I think. No, I definitely did not get any comment. Well, I mean, I got comments in last week's video, mostly about my hair and lipstick, but other than that, not so much about the products. But that's okay. There's always next week. So for now, see you all later. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.